Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Store offers. To find the offers, you have to go to the account section, then reward section, and you can see the reward. Now here you can see rupees 20 discount from Play Store on app, game or in-app item, and the offer is expire on 11th April 2021. And here you can see use your rupees 20 Google Play discount on a single app, game or in-app item over 20 rupees. Offer applied at checkout. And here you can see the full terms and conditions for the offers and below popular choices to use the offer. Okay, so a new offer I got in my account and which is 20 rupees discount on app, game or in-app item. To use the offer, I have to go to the Play Store's home page. Now I will go to the top charts. Then I have to go to the top paid section of Play Store. And now here you can see top paid section. Here you will see the top games of Play Store, top paid games. Now I have to choose one game over 20 rupees. Here you can see RFS which is 29 rupees and the offer is showing. So in this way you can use this offer to buy apps and games over 20 rupees. Now if I tap on the buy option, here you can see offer applied rupees 20 credit from Google. You have to pay only 9 rupees to purchase this game. So in this way you can use this offer. Bye, see you guys in the next video. Take care guys.